You're not overthinking because you're weak. You're overthinking because your brain is stuck in a loop. Overthinking doesn't destroy your life in one moment. It destroys it silently, thought by thought. And unless you understand why your brain keeps doing this, you can't break free. Today, I'll give you 8 science-backed steps to finally stop the loop. Step 1. Your brain is predicting, not thinking. Imagine this. It's 11:57 p.m. You send someone an important message, and they don't reply. Your mind instantly starts a movie. What if they're upset? What if I messed up? What if I lose them? And here's the twist. None of these thoughts came from facts. They came from your brain's prediction engine. Daniel Kahneman calls this the fast-thinking survival system. Your brain is not thinking logically. It's scanning for danger, the way our ancestors did in the jungle. Solution. Next time your mind creates a scary future scenario, say, "My brain is predicting, not proving." This single sentence cuts the emotional intensity instantly. Step 2. Your identity fuels the loop. Carol Dweck's research on mindset proves one thing. We act according to the identity we believe in. If you've ever told yourself, "I'm an overthinker," your brain accepts it as a permanent identity. This creates a loop. Identity, behavior, identity. A girl spends hours analyzing every text she sends. Not because the situation is complicated, but because she believes she is complicated. Her identity is the trigger. Shift it from, "I'm an overthinker," to, "I'm a person learning to calm my mind." That one shift breaks the loop. Step 3. Your brain loves familiar pain. Dr. Judson Brewer, author of Unwinding Anxiety, explains that the brain gets addicted to repetitive thinking because it feels familiar, not because it feels good. If you've spent years worrying, your brain sees worrying as home. Think of a person who always replays arguments in their head. They don't want to, but their brain keeps returning to the same emotional memory because it's well-worn, like a path in the forest. The solution? Break the reward loop. Ask, is this thought helping or hurting? This interrupts the habit formation cycle. Step 4. Your thoughts act like tabs in a browser. Neuroscience shows that every unclosed mental tab creates cognitive load. Imagine your brain as a laptop with 37 tabs open, all loading at once. Emails, regrets, fears, what-ifs, old mistakes, future plans. No wonder the system slows down. It's not you, it's the overload. Close the tabs by writing them down. This single act, according to multiple behavioral studies, reduces rumination dramatically. Right. What exactly is bothering me right now? Once the tab is downloaded, the brain stops reloading it. Step 5. You fear the wrong pain. Overthinking is often a fear of making the wrong choice. But Stoic philosophy teaches, you're not afraid of the decision. You're afraid of taking responsibility for the outcome. Example. A boy wants to start YouTube. He spends weeks thinking about the perfect niche, perfect camera, perfect script. He's not overthinking the idea. He's avoiding the possibility of failure. Remind yourself, clarity comes from action, not analysis. Move first, adjust later. Step 6. You confuse control with preparation. Your brain thinks, if I think more, I'll be more ready. But research shows the opposite. More thinking causes decision paralysis. A girl is preparing for a job interview. Instead of practicing, she keeps imagining every possible question, every possible failure. By the time the interview arrives, she's mentally exhausted. You can't control the future. You can only prepare for it. Use the rule. Prepare 20%, act 80%. Planning doesn't remove fear. Action does. Step 7. You treat thoughts like facts. There was a boy who believed everyone disliked him. No one told him that. No evidence. Just a thought. So what did he do? He talked less. He avoided people. He stayed quiet. And people assumed he didn't want to talk. His fear became reality. Not because it was true, but because he acted according to a thought. Solution: whenever a negative thought hits, say, "I'm having the thought that." This separates your identity from your imagination. Your brain instantly calms. Step 8. Your nervous system is stuck in fight mode. Overthinking is not just mental, it's biological. When your nervous system is activated, your brain enters threat mode. Fast heart rate, shallow breathing, and rapid thought spirals. This is why deep breathing works. It shifts the body from fight mode to safety mode. Try the 4-2-6 method. Inhale 4 seconds. Hold 2 seconds. Exhale 6 seconds. Repeat 5 times. Your brain slows down because your body sends a signal. You're safe now. Overthinking doesn't end in one day, but one thing changes everything: awareness. If you understand the mechanics of your mind, you take your power back. You're not your thoughts. You're the one watching them. And if you want more videos like this, make sure you subscribe, and let's grow together.